In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budget tracking. If you're looking for a flexible, intuitive way to manage your finances, Monday.com might just be the tool for you. We'll start by creating a new budget board. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the plus add button and select New Board. It's important to choose a clear, descriptive name like Budget Tracker, Project Expenses, or Financial Overview for easy reference later. You have the option to start from scratch or pick a ready-made template from the template center. If you're a beginner, the built-in budget tracker template can be a great way to jump in. Next, you'll want to set up your columns to organize your financial data effectively. Begin by adding budget items. Click on plus new item and start entering the specific details for each expense, such as name, cost, category, date, and more. Attaching receipts or invoices can be helpful for record keeping. Assign a responsible person to each item, ensuring accountability across your team. This could look something like an expense for Facebook ads under the marketing category, with a total cost reflected alongside the individual responsible. Grouping these items can provide additional organization and clarity. Consider gathering them by department, project, or even by the month or quarter. Use the plus add group feature to create these divisions, which can make tracking and analyzing totals much easier. Automations in Monday.com can serve as your budgetary watchdogs. You can set automated alerts for key actions, like notifying a manager if actual costs exceed estimated ones, or moving items to a completed payments group once their status changes to paid. To enable automations, click on Automate, and then Add Automation, where you can choose from various recipes to suit your needs. To keep your financial insights front and center, let's create a dashboard. Click on Dashboard and then New Dashboard to bring your data to life with visuals. Add widgets like the Numbers widget for a quick glance at total spending, or a Chart widget to observe how costs are distributed by category. The Battery widget offers a neat visual representation of spending progress relative to limits, and a Table widget provides an at-a-glance summary of all expenses. Dashboards provide an immediate snapshot that's perfect for reporting to management. To make the most out of your board, use the filter feature for quick insights. Monday.com's built-in filters allow you to view only the most relevant data, whether it's expenses over budget, pending payments, or spending organized by month, category, or owner. Simply click the filter icon and select the columns and values you want to focus on. Finally, reviewing and reporting should be a regular practice. Set aside time weekly or monthly to review your board's data. Utilize formula totals at the bottom of columns to get an accurate picture of spending and remaining budget space. For meetings or reports, export your board to Excel or PDF to share with your team or stakeholders. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to keep your budget on track using Monday.com.